Good night, the monkeys. Sleepy tight, the monkeys. And don't jump on the bed.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. A mama called the doctor and the doctor said, where is that doctor? No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Good night, the monkeys. Sleepy tight, the monkeys. Don't monkey around the monkeys. And don't jump on the bed.
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One moment, everybody out there in the internet. Don't you know how this song goes?
Yeah.
I mean, like, why you try? Can you sing along with me? It's gonna sound terrible, but let's do it. 1, 2, ready and go. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. A mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, that was cacophonous. I love it.
Good night, the monkeys.
Sleep tight, the monkey.
Sleepy tight, the monkeys. Don't let the bed bugs bite the monkeys. And don't jump on the bed.
Do not jump on the bed, monkeys. Just kidding. Jump on the bed all you want.
2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. A mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And I mean it too.
I didn't even know that.
Good night, the monkey.
Sleep tight, the monkey.
Don't mimicking me, monkey. You're copying me. And don't jump on the... Oh, never mind. You're just going to do it anyway.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on. Hold on a moment there. There really are no more monkeys jumping on this bed. Well, you know what that means, don't you?
Well, no, what does that mean?
Well, it means that there's plenty of room for me to jump on the bed. Woo-hoo-hoo. Jumping on your bed, jumping on the bed, jumping on the bed, jumping on your... Oh, my goodness! Somebody calling me a doctor. Oh, hi, everybody.
Hi, Nappy.
Hi. Hey, nice to see you. I'm really glad that I finally got to do this show for you. I tried 2 other times today. Once at 7 a.m. Pacific, which I realize now is 4 a.m. your time. What was I thinking? And then again at 1, 2 o'clock my time, which is, I don't even know. I'm not good at the maths. Are you good at maths?
Yeah.
Oh,
yes,
I should
I
hire
am.
you as my scheduling person. Right. So today's show is called Father Goose's Tales, and the idea is that Father Goose is telling the stories that usually Mother Goose tells, and he doesn't know them very well, and he makes a lot of mistakes. So that's the whole idea of that. So are you ready for some nursery rhymes and songs and such?
Yes, we are. We've been ready.
Okay, good. And then I'm going to do this nursery rhyme about the guy named Jack. Do you know a nursery rhyme about Jack?
Yeah.
What is the one you know about the
Jack and
Jack?
Jill went up the hill, and
No, it's not Jack and Jill. I'm sorry.
Jack Jack Tumblestack.
Jack Tumblestack? I don't even know that one. Is that a regional one?
Jack and the Beanstalk?
Jack jump over the candlestick.
Yes.
Jack.
Jack be nimble. Hoo-yah. Jack be quick. Boom. Beep, 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 beep. Jack jump over the can. No, I'm not jumping over this thing. It's on fire. I don't play with fire. It's not a good idea, but I got an idea like this. Like, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Cha cha cha. Okay, now I can blow out the candle on 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I can jump over so easy, like woohoo. Backwards even. Woohoo. Boo. And you know what the moral of that one is, boys and girls?
Never jump over a candlestick that's actually on fire.
Well, that's a good one, but no, that's not the moral. The moral is I'm available for birthday parties, online streaming birthday parties. So let me know if I can come to your party. Now there's one about the guy named Willie. It's called Wee Willie Winky, and I'm going to try and remember.
Oh, Willie Winky.
Oh, now you know it, sure. Okay. Wee Willie Winky ran through town. He ran up his stairs, and he ran down the stairs in his nightgown. Wee Willie Winky ran through the town. Oh, yeah, okay. He was winking, wink, 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 wink. Get it? Because his name is Wee Willie Winky. He was winking, and to be perfectly frank with you boys and girls, he was weeing everywhere. I got a little problem. I got to go wee. On the count of 3, I'm going to go wee. 1, 2, 3. Wee!
Oh, Daddy.
Wee. All the way home. That's how that one goes, I think. Now I got to tell you the one about the guy named Jack. Do you know it?
You already did that one.
No, it's a different one. Okay, this one is about Jack and...
Jack Tumblestack, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill. I don't know what this is, this Jack Tumblestack, but I want to learn it sometime. Can you send me an email about it?
Jack tumbles down the hill and Jill comes tumbling.
R.E. Jack Tumblestack. You could just title that. That's the subject line. All right. A lot of kids say that they know the Jack and Jill, but I find out that they don't know all of it. Do you know Jack and Jill?
I do.
Do you know all of the Jack and Jill? No, we do it together, even though it won't be synchronized. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch the pail of water. Then Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Then up Jack got, and with they jot. Do you know the second verse?
As fast
No.
Oh, I knew it. Second verse is.
Second verse.
Oh, good. Up Jack got, and with a jot as fast as he could caper to old Nurse Dob, who fixed his knob with the vinegar and brown paper. You might go, what the heck does that mean, Nappy? That means he got like kind of like a Band-Aid, except they haven't invented the Band-Aids yet. So instead of a Band-Aids, they're using vinegar and brown paper. That's just what they do. All right, now I tell you the story about Jack and or Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch the pail of water, but Jack fell down. Oh, owie, oh, ow, oh. And he broke his crown, and Jill, came tumbling after. Then up Jack got, and with a jot as fast as he could caper to old Nurse Dob, who fixed his knob with the vinegar and the brown paper.
Send in the next patient, please. What is your name?
My name is Jack.
What's your problem, Jack?
I think I broke my crown.
What are you talking about? I've never even heard of a broken crown. What do you mean?
Well, I mean like this. Oh my goodness, let me see that again. Wow, that's a broken crown. All right, wow. All right, keep the lid open, Jack, and kneel on down. Come on, that's it. All right, I'm going to put this on to keep the germs away. It's going to sting a little bit. Blah, 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 blah. Now for the hard part. Don't be nervous. Don't be scared. I just got to put on your brown paper like
you feel now?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, food bag. Seriously.
It's made out of brown paper.
I thought it was to wrap brown paper around it.
Where you get brown paper? That's how I got it back in my day. We used to make book covers out of the old grocery bags.
How about paper you make arts and crafts with?
You make your own papers?
No.
Oh. All right. So now there's one that you might know, and I think I remember how it goes like this.
Can't do it.
Ah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Dumpty sat on the no more sitting on the wall. I can't sit around all day. I gotta do exercising, makes me feel good, okay? So I'm gonna do jumping jack exercises like this. Jumping jack and a jumping jack and a jumping jack and a jumping jack. Yeah. Then I will do exercises by walking on stilts. Whoa, look how tall I am. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And then I'm going to learn how to fly. And then I'm going to learn how to dive from the sky. Yes, no more sitting around like the bump on the log. I'm going to live an extreme lifestyle. I found a penny. Oh, it must be my lucky penny. Let me just bend down and get that. Oh, no! All the king's horses.
King's men.
Don't rush me. And all the king's men, you're right, though, tried to put Humpty back together. Humpty's there. We'll put him back together. Don't forget the tape and the glue. There, good as new.
And then they took the penny.
They took the penny. I don't know. I don't want that penny. Doesn't seem very lucky to me. Now there's one about the guy named Jack. Ha ha!
Jack and Doc.
Here, I'll give you a hint. Maybe you know it from a hint. I'm sorry. Hold on. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating a holiday pie. He stuck in his finger and pulled out an opera singer.
Yeah. I know I'm not the right one for this, but while I am here, I like to sing my new favorite opera. I call it the soap opera. Soap. Bar of soap. Go, Slippy.
No. Wait a minute. We can't sing that song here. That's,
Wait. I know how it goes.
You do? How does it go?
Like after he opened like the birthday.
After he opens the pie, yeah.
Stuck in his thumb. Brought out a plum.
Plum?
A plum.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That sounds ridiculous to me. I've had so many pies. I've had pumpkin pie, apple pie, shoe fly pie, pecan pie. I've never had a plum pie. What are you talking about?
I've tried all those cakes.
Plum pie? No, that cannot be right. I mean, I don't know for sure. A little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating a holiday pie. He stuck in his elbow. And then he pulled out the... No, that's not the right one. Get in that pie. That's definitely the wrong one. Now, put that away. That's called copyright infringements, and we try not to do that.
This is imagination.
Oh. Let's see. Okay. I think I remember how it goes like this. Little Jack Horner, blah, 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 corner, yada, yada, pie, stuck in his thumb and pulled out... on behalf of the Pie Association, we'd like you to please stop poking in the pie, hey? Don't you know you're not supposed to play with your food? Yeah, don't play with your food, just eat it. Poke. No, don't poke me. Poke. No, I don't like it when you poke me. Poke. Stop that poking! I'm not going to get in the big fight about it. I am just going to leave. Taking a pie with me, though. How you like them apples? Yeah, that's how it goes. The
No, he pulled out a
end.
plum.
Hey, tell you what. while we're talking about cereal boxes, may I tell you that shadow puppets are the easiest and coolest puppets to make. Like you can make them out of cardboard from a cereal box. This is actually fruit snacks box. But you take your cereal box or your fruit snacks box because it's free. That's my favorite. And then you can either draw your shape, or if it has shapes, like I cheated a little bit and I just cut out this guy here. See? And then I had a shadow puppet. And then I show you, I got a light. I'm gonna put this light on here. And I got this box. And I cut out the bottom of the box and I put paper on the box, and then you can make a shadow screen. I'm going to turn on my light now. Clicks for this light. Turn off these lights. Do you see? Mm-hmm. And then I hold my shadow puppet up against the screen, and then you can see shadow puppet from a cereal box or cardboard box.
Cool.
I got a song here. Let's take a break from the nursery rhymes.
That reminds me of one.
All right, I got one that we can sing together. This one is a special part. You guys, you have a part. When you see this one here, this is a Mama Duck. You like seeing backstage? Hey? Backstage, front stage? Yeah. So this is a Mama Duck, and when you see the Mama Duck, you go quack, 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 quack. That is your part. Oh. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama Duck said,
Quack, 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 quack.
all right, be ready. And only 4 little ducks came back. Oh, 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. What's good? There's one hanging on. Over the hills and far away. Mama Duck said,
Quack, 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 quack.
and only 3 little ducks came back. Oh boy, that's a bad sounding voice. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama Duck said,
Quack, 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 quack.
and only, do you know? Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Oh, good. 2 little ducks came back with the hippopotamus. Oh. 2 little ducks. And the hippopotamus went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama Duck said, and only one little duck came back. I don't know what happened to the hippopotamus. Oh, one little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama Duck said, and 23 ducks came waddling back.
23 ducks.
Oh, 23 ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama Duck said, and all 5 of the original ducks came back with the hippopotamus.
You almost got it right, dude. You almost got it.
You please do.
Why did she spell Nappy?
Yeah, I do have that one. I will do the old lady who swallowed a fly.
Yes!
I've been like making you wait for it. I'm kind of teasing you. All right, the old lady who swallowed a fly. But this is not it. Here, boy. Here, boy. Holla, 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 holla. That's a good puppy. Now, puppy, I want you to sit down. Boy, I said sit down. Boom. Okay, good boy. Now I get you a treat, but you guys stay right there. I want you to stay. Dum. I said stay. La. No. Come on now. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to fetch her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and so the poor dog had none. I'm sorry there's no bones for you today. What? Oh. She went to the baker's to buy him some bread, but when she came back, the poor dog was sad. Oh, I'm so sad. Give me a bone or I'm going to cry like a baby. Give me what? No bones? Wah, 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 wah. No, don't worry. I'm not really crying. I'm just acting. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Exit stage right. What? No, hey, come on now. Is it... You cuckoo dog. She went to the market to buy him some fruit. And when she came back, he was playing
A flute.
a flute. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What? Hey, come by. Where in the world did he get a flute from? She went to the market to buy him a wig. And when she came back, he was dancing.
A jig.
Diddly 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 dee diddly diddly dee. Hey, I'm the Lord of the Dance. Thank you. He's more like the Lord of the Silly Heads, if you guys know. She went to the market to buy him a coat. And when she came back, he was riding
A horse. A cow. A horse. A goat. A goat.
Is my drawing that bad you couldn't guess goat? You went through every livestock there was except pig and chicken. She went to the market to buy him a coat, and when she came back, he was riding a
Goat.
cow. What? No, goat. Yeehaw! Oh my goodness! She went to the market to buy him a hat. When she came back, he was feeding
A cat. A cat. Oh, he was feeding me. I'm a cat. Wow.
meow. Don't take that medicine. Okay, kitty. Open up. Is that what the book was reading about medicine? Okay, kitty. Open up a tunnel, because here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga, 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 chugga. Woo! Okay, kitty, say ah. Meow. No, no, no. Say ah. Meow.
Meow.
Kitty, so simple, please. Open up, say ah. Meow. What's... Well, I guess that's as good as it's going to get. Blah! She went to the market to buy some pantyhose. And when she came back, that dog was dressed up in her clothes.
What?
The dame made a curtsy, and the dog made a bow. The dame said, "Your servant," and the dog said, "Bow wow." This will be the last part of the show, and I thank you for looking at my show. This is the one that usually starts with the lights off, so already I've messed it up. There we go. Here we go.
Yeah, this is the funniest show you've ever made.
I can't stop yawning. Must be nap time. Go. I know an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll... I know an old lady who swallowed a... It wriggled and jiggled and tickled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll... I know an old lady who swallowed a...
Why did you say chicken?
How absurd. She swallowed the chicken. What? Who said the chicken?
You
Swallowed the
did.
bird to catch the spider. It wriggled and jiggled and tickled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the... I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll... I know an old lady who swallowed a... Imagine that she swallowed the cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. Swallowed the bird to catch the spider. He wriggled and jiggled and tickled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the
Fly.
I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll I know an old lady who swallowed a
Dog.
a dog. She swallowed a dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. Swallowed the cat to catch the bird. Swallowed the bird to catch the
Spider.
It
It wriggled and jiggled and tickled inside.
That's right. She swallowed the spider to catch the
Fly.
I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll I know an old lady who swallowed a opened her throat and down went the goat. She swallowed the goat to catch the dog and swallowed the dog to catch the cat. Swallowed the cat to catch the bird. Swallowed the bird to catch
Spider.
that.
Wriggled and jiggled and tickled inside.
Nice singing. Swallowed the spider to catch the
Fly.
I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll I know an old lady who swallowed a I don't know how, but she swallowed the cow. She
Guys.
swallowed the cow to catch the
Goat.
swallowed the goat to catch them.
Dog.
Swallowed the dog to catch them. Swallowed the cat to catch the
Bird.
swallowed the bird to catch the
Monkey.
Oh, you gotta pay attention. Swallowed that thing to catch this thing. Did that thing, did the other thing, then it did it one more time. Swallowed the spider to catch the
Fly.
I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll I know an old lady who swallowed a
Horse. That horse is so small.
oh, she's dead, of course.
Dead of course.
Don't worry, she's not really dead. No, you know why?
He was dead.
She's a puppet. It's not real.
Wow,
This
she's
is-
pretty big. Nappy,
She is-
Wow,
Nappy. Really big.
that's really big.
It's pretty big.
Really big.
Nappy, Nappy.
Yeah?
If you looking.
Okay.
We're gonna say to Nappy before he goes.
Hi, Nappy. Hi, Nappy. Hi, let me put a show.